Once upon a time, Timmy was out in the castle, and then he started to dance, because it was very fun there. And then suddenly, he flew off on a big balloon. Timmy went into Chirk Castle, fell off a battlement and landed in the moat. Timmy got catapulted by the cannon at Chirk Castle. Whee! This is Shirley. He's walking towards the castle. He tries to get through the door, but gets stuck halfway, and then Timmy comes on to try and push him through. Timmy pushes and pushes and it doesn't work. Then all of a sudden Shirley pops through to the other side. Shaun's scratching his back. My princess is dancing. Roxy and Timmy are going to the castle and they start getting hungry because they're walking around the castle so much. Timmy starts going, there, there! Mae Shaun yn mynd o'r castell dros y bont after that. Polly the parrot likes to fly. Timmy is dancing. The alien came and walked down to the castle and fell over. Mae Shaun the Sheep yn bita gwaith I gau a mae aliens yn hitio'n I gau ac mae'n dod allan o Shaun yn gio. Roxy says, I'm hungry. Where's some food?
There's a hay pile over there. Maybe we should go eat some. I'm tired. I want to rest. Where's Shaun now?